Well, alright, welcome back to Uncle Tony's Workshop. Today we're messing around with this here Marshall MG Series 15MS2 micro stack, second version. Yeah, let's fire up and see what we get. So everything is running stock right now. Not bad. Let's mess around a little bit here. We got the bass, mids, trebles. It's got built-in actual spring reverb, which is pretty nice. That's great. So we also got a FDD, which is supposed to give it like a tube amp feel. This is on. Here's what it sounds like without. Back on. So I like it on. Let's switch over to the overdrive. We got gain at about 9 o'clock. Not bad. Let's cut some bass, mids. Oh, sorry, contour. Treble. Let's give her some volume. Let's lighten the gain up a pinch here just for fun. That's kind of nice. Let's do that way up here. Cut that reverb. Anyways, so yeah, not too bad for a mini stack. It sounds pretty fucking awesome. But what fun is stock? So let's try swapping out those stock speakers for something different. So here we got a Celestion G10 VT Junior 50 watt. Should be nice. As well, we have this here, kind of similar, but it's a Celestion G10 Vintage 80th anniversary special edition, if that matters. But this one's a 60 watt, and that's a 50 watt. But let's crack these open and see what we get. here's the first one. This will be the top. Oh, let's get this all unhooked. Alright, so in the top, here's our original little Marshall MG15MS2 speaker. Not bad, not great. Oh, let's put in here the G10 VT Junior. Okay, so there we have it. Right now we got just the Celestion VT Junior. Let's go back to our clean channel. Get some volume. Overdrive. Sounds fucking awesome. Let's try the Celestion Vintage. Might get a little bit more warmth to it. don't know. I think I like this one better. Yeah, so let's blend them both together, see what the fuck. Yeah, there you have it. The VT Junior is probably my personal favorite, but blending those together is a really nice mix. Upgrade from the other speakers, yeah, a little bit, but honestly, those other ones, not that half bad. Throw an EQ pedal in the fucking front end of this and all your problems solved. Done.